Before we do that, I want to know, Jarrid, what do you think about sous vide?
I'm a big sous vide guy.
Are you?
I'm a big sous vide guy. Yeah.
And this was a planted question for our audience members who are haters out there of sous vide. This is not a planted question. Garrett just asked this off the cuff.
No, because our resident troll
did a Facebook commenter ask me? Obviously.
No,
who was it? Is it somebody I might know?
Tim Sudkamp, who is
but he's a smart man if he is the sous vide fan.
No, he is not.
No, he's not.
So he's somebody that forgoes science and common sense for.
He said if boiling steaks was a show, this is it, and he trolls us. That's him. That's his way of showing us love. But there were some comments on some other threads on Facebook and this and that about sous vide, and everybody it seems thinks that sous vide is boiling meats, and they just don't get it.
I mean, it's unbelievable. It's like, do they still carve when they need new tires in their car? Do they still carve them out of stone or hew them out of wood? Like, it's if I gave you the perfect solution to a problem that everyone has, and this is the point in that comment where all of the alphas come out and say, I ain't got no problem grilling. I am man. I have fire. I don't have any problem. My steaks are better than your steaks. This is the point where they all say that stupid shit. When in reality, you could take a 7-year-old and give them a piece of steak and give them a sous vide, and you could say, make a perfect steak, and they could execute. And granted, we aren't 7-year-olds, and you might like something, but I make a perfectly cooked, edge-to-edge, medium rare steak, and then I put it on the grill, and guess what? It's better than yours. It just is. It's science. It's just science. You're wrong. There's numbers, there's data, there's figures, there's absolutely everything in the entire world pointing to science has created a perfect solution to a problem that you might not have thought you had, but you do have. And consistency is key. And I couldn't be a bigger fan of sous vide. If you think you grill good chicken until you've had a piece of sous vide grilled chicken, you have not had good chicken. You just haven't. You're wrong. So troll away. I'm ambivalent. It will not hurt my feelings. You will not hurt my feelings. I will go back in my house and I will eat a sous vide filet mignon, and I will be perfectly content knowing that you're out there, an old man shouting at the sky, telling me how wrong I am. I am entirely ambivalent to your opinions. So go ahead and keep doing whatever it is you think is the alpha thing to do, and you can call me soft as baby shit for sous videing a steak. But at the end of the day, I'm eating a great steak that's better than yours, and I will laugh myself to the bank. I don't care. I really don't care.
I'm dying over here.
Oh my gosh, this is the pointless show where we say, "Suck it, Tim," and all you haters of sous vide. That was the best soapbox we've had for a long time. Thank you, Jarrid.
Oh shit, I'm dying over here.
Welcome.
That was fantastic.
You're so welcome. And it's I get in the same arguments with these people that are trying to show me how masculine and virile they are, standing and sweating into their family's meal. That's how masculine and oh my God, you're so tough. You're so tough lighting your fucking protein on fire. You're so tough. And I'm so soft, drinking my expensive bourbon and smoking a cigar while my meal cooks perfectly behind me with no effort. Oh, what a moron I am. What a moron I am for having a perfectly prepared meal behind me while I enjoy myself and live my life. Fools. Fools. Read a book.
I don't even want to talk about cigars. I seriously don't. I just want to let Jarrid go. Just
oh my God, it's so asinine.
Oh my God,
yeah,
so asinine.
Oh yeah, we're crying.
And I will never get tired of drinking these internet people's tears. I will never get tired. I will drink your tears all day and all night. They refresh me. I love it. Just go scream go tell somebody to get off your lawn or something.
And it goes perfectly.
Leave the internet for the evolve.
Internet tears is the perfect pairing with a immaculately cooked ribeye. from
You season it. I brine my steaks because you can still do that. I'm sure you grill masters out there probably don't brine your meat, but it's a good tool. You should Google that once you get yourself an internet machine. And I brine with internet tier.
With internet tiers. One, what's fun, this all started with, just a series of things between our show and then Skip Martin was also doing some sous vide stuff. And, the internet is the internet, and people were, divided like pineapple on pizza. And it was freaking hilarious. And
Skip is undeniably a smart man.
Oh,
and Skip is a man who has lived his life around science and facts and things like that. And unfortunately, facts don't care about people's feelings. And as passionate as you may be about sweating into your family's meal for the love of the game, I am not, and I will instead do what I do.
Oh man.
All right.
Okay, we were going to talk about the
Kristoff
signature series.
We're talking about
that
cigar.
was a hard segue.
Cigar show.
That was a hard segue.
That was a hard segue. Oh, how about that cigar? So